Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you guys how I make my tomatoes pepper soup. These are the ingredients I will be using. My black fish, also known as electric fish. I have my shrimp. I have a smoked shrimp and a cooked shrimp. I have blended crayfish. Then I have fresh mackerel. You can use tilapia if you want. I have my seasonings. I have dry pepper, dry blended pepper. I have pepper soup spice. I have dry pepper. I have Maggi, and I have seasoning. That's Maggi seasoning. Then also I have my tomatoes. This is my blended fresh tomatoes. Okay, if you want a special flavor for this recipe, use blended tomatoes. And also have my smoked turkey. The turkey is already been cooked. Okay, I've already cooked the turkey just to make this video short. You can use any other meat of your choice, but or you can even skip the meat and just use fish. Okay, but I needed meat. That's why I use smoked turkey. I just want that flavor. I want that special smoked flavor inside this recipe. And guess what, guys, this recipe is mainly cooked by the Edo, the Benin. We love tomatoes pepper soup. Okay, we love tomatoes pepper soup. Here I'm adding my shrimp. Guys, this pepper soup is very easy. All you just have to do, just pour everything together and cook them together. It's very easy. Now I'm adding my spice into the pot. We'll be adding also the blended crayfish. Then I'll add the fish, the fresh fish, and the black fish, also known as electric fish. But we the Benin, we call that black fish in Bavaria. It's a special fish that we the Benin use for a special dish. Okay, I'm adding my fresh mackerel. You can use tilapia if you want to. You can use dry catfish if you want to. If you can also use fresh catfish if you want to. Now I'm adding my black fish. We call this fish in Bavaria. This fish will take this pepper soup to the next level. This fish gives this pepper soup a special taste. I'm covering it to cook for 15 minutes. Okay, this is after 15 minutes, guys. Oh my goodness, I wish you guys can perceive the aroma of this pepper soup. This pepper soup, you can eat this pepper soup with pounded yam. Yes, this soup is good with pounded yam. Also is good with starch. I'm going to be eating this pepper soup, this tomatoes pepper soup with starch. Guys, I love starch. You know me, you know I love starch. I'm just stirring it gently. You have to do this gently so that fish not go scatter. You don't want that fish to scatter. Do it gently. I'll cover back while this is cooking. I will be making my starch. Okay, in the pot, that is my starch. I've already mixed it. I'm just adding my oil, adding my red palm oil to it. All you just have to do is just continue stirring. Continue to stir till it thickens, and then just stir. Make sure there's no lump, because you don't want lumps on your swallow. Okay, make sure you stir very good. It needs a elbow grease, okay, to do this. This is a good workout. Okay, it's a good workout. Starch, oh my goodness, I like my starch to be strong. I don't like starch that is so soft. I like my starch to be strong. As you can see, that starch is very strong. Just doing this, make sure there's no lump on it. There's no lump, there's no seed. Okay, now look at the starch, guys. Look at the color, looking so yummy. It's ready. The starch is ready. Then I'll check back on my pepper soup. Okay, my pepper soup is also ready. So it's also ready. Look at it, guys. It's so looking yummy in my tummy. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching this video. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome to Share with Love TV. Please consider subscribing before the end of this video and put all your best so that you'll be notified whenever I post a video. I love you guys. Thank you so much for the love, for the support, for always sharing my video, for always coming back to watch my video. And stay safe, guys. The pepper soup is ready right now. I'm ready to eat. Bye everyone. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.